Hi. I've already opened the image. First, I will create a selection for the woman by using Pen tool. Type 4 pixels in feather radius. And click OK. And create a mask. Now we have finished cutting the woman. Next, I move the sunset image to the next tab. Select Crop tool. And crop the image. OK. Now we have a beautiful background with the sunlight shining to the woman. Next, I go to File, Open and open the next image. Then move it to our picture. And place our layer on top layer board. Next, I go to Edit, Free Transform. Then scale it smaller. And place it over the woman's head. Reduce opacity of the layer. I select Lasso tool and draw a selection like this. Then I create a mask in layer 2. Increase opacity of layer 2. Select Brush tool and fill black color in mask to erase some unused parts of layer 2. Right-click in Mask of Layer 0 and select Add Mask to Selection. Then we create a Color Balance Adjustment layer. Right-click in Mask of Layer 2 and select Add Mask to Selection. Select Color Balance Adjustment layer. Press Ctrl, Alternate, Shift, E in Window, or we could press Command, Option, Shift, E in Mac OS. Then select Clone Stamp tool. Hold Alternate or Option to define the clone source. Next, I go to File, Open and select the bird image. Move it to our picture. Right-click Layer 4 and choose Select Pixels. Hide Layer 4 and select Solid Color Adjustment layer. Choose black color. Press Ctrl, Command and T, scale it a bit smaller. Very easy steps to make this picture. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to click subscribe and follow more videos. See you next time.